is Stacy from Truly Majestic, where I teach people how to arm knit. Now, I am here to give you a quick announcement to say that I've actually put out a service to do one-on-one arm knitting sessions over Skype or Facebook chat. Now, you don't have to have wool roving. You can have any synthetic yarn that you want, and perhaps you need help with making a blanket, keeping the stitches even, or maybe you want to create a brand new pattern of something that you've seen online, but you have no idea how to do that. I've had a lot of experience making my own patterns. I made a carrot blanket, which is a little bit strange, very strange, and a corn cob blanket, which was also very unique and interesting. So I've had a lot of experience making patterns. If you need one made, please contact me. Use the booking form in the description below. You'll be taken, in the description below there's a link, and in that link you can then use the booking form and purchase one arm knitting session, or you can purchase a few arm knitting sessions. If you would like to do them back to back, or if you'd like to do them once a week, however you prefer is fine. If you have any ideas for other services that you think you might like but I haven't offered, give me a shout. I'm always open for new ideas. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give my video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any ideas for me. I'm always open to new and fresh viewpoints. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Stacy from Truly Majestic.